Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Subaru Forester 20XV WRX 2014 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this box. Okay, this head unit and the harness part, insert part, and the special harness. Okay, let me introduce harness and the part 8 first. Okay, you can check this in the metal, left and right. Okay. And the screws. There are special harness. There are two harness. This radio antenna. This radio antenna. This power and the speaker. And this brake wire do not need to connect. This backup camera reserve input MP wire. Okay. And this radio antenna. This power and speaker. This speaker and steering wire controls WRX power cable and the steering controls. Okay, the WRX input left and right, and this camera input. This camera input 1 is camera input 2. Okay. This GPS antenna. This video out for headrest, rear headrest video out. Okay, there are two USB and this external microphone. This 4G antenna. And this SIM card slot, 4G SIM card slot. This USB adapter. And camera input. This video AUX input, video input, and subwoofer, RC type, and audio output left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show the unit. Okay, this is a head unit. You can check back the radio antenna, 4G LTE antenna. This GPS antenna and the audio connection and the USB other connection 4G antenna. This radio power is fuse. Okay. Now let me connect the power on back. 12 voltage. The head unit will be start. Let's find something to Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Please take out this screw protector before using. And you can change orange and the color, and you can set the language. English. Set English with 1. Okay. When you back to home, it change the English. And OS here. This widget. Back. This reset hole and make fan this volume. Okay, let me check the this Android 11 system. And you can change the display theme style with 3. Or it's here. And the theme style 4, 5. And theme style 6. And theme style 7. Theme style 8. Okay, you can connect the Wi-Fi. Very fast response. it's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from it. Built in the Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And built in Google Maps. Let me check the settings. About the device, you can check DDR 8GB and 128GB. It's factory setting. Password. You need to set the brake with 0. If not, you can't watch the video. Okay. Let me check the back storage. You can total 128GB and memory 8GB. Okay. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You also can change the theme display with 3. Okay, thank you.